Hi guys, how to get second floor in Steal A Brainrot. Now, navigate to the game page and join a server. But here's the pro tip. Use a private server if possible. This one choice alone stops other players from interrupting your progress. Immediately after joining, and I mean immediately, lock your base. If you skip this step, other players can steal your items and wipe your progress. Don't let that happen to you. Before going further, make sure you meet the two critical requirements. You must have at least one rebirth and a minimum of 3 million cash saved up. Keep watching. This is where most people get stuck. Go to the Rebirth tab and collect the specific brainrots you need. In this video, we're using Bonica Ambalabu and Berber Padeep. Buy them as they pass by the pathway. Don't wait or you'll miss them. Once the requirements are met and both items are purchased, you will instantly unlock access to the second floor of your base.